All right, so it's question number 6. You're trying to figure out which one of those functions could possibly be the one up above. So what you look at is the x-intercepts, which are the zeros, and see where they cross at. This one has 4 of them, which means it's going to have 4 factors. And if you notice, it crosses at each of them, which means your power is going to be 1. If it's a square, it bounces off, but those don't bounce at the zeros. So I know it's going to be x minus something. Remember, it's or actually the one on the left side will be x plus something, x plus something. And then right here and here, they're both going to be x minuses. Remember, it's always the opposite sign. So really the only thing I have left is figuring out if a is positive or negative. Well, if it's even, both sides go up if the degree is even, right? If I times x times x times x times x, I get x to the 4th, which is an even degree. So if a is positive, both ends go up. If a is negative, then both ends go down. And since both ends are going up, a has to be positive. So it's actually, I think, just this very first option. There's a lot of them. It gets kind of complicated because you have to sort through all those. But if you write it out like this, I think that's helpful. Remember, if your degree is odd, say it was like x to the 5th, if a is positive, it starts coming in from the left going up and it ends going up. If it's odd and a is negative, it starts coming down and it ends going down, right? This is my x and y axis. If it's even, like I just talked about, they go the same direction. So notice how they're both going up. And on this one, if it's negative, they'll both be going down to the left and to the right. So that's kind of how you can tell if a is positive or negative.